Yes sir, rise and grind, man. I'm back at y'all with another quick video with the Pull-Up King. In this video, we got a 2008 Buick LACROSSE 3.8 V6. We doing a tune-up on it. Spark plugs and wires. Got us some ACDELCO iridium. That's the part number. And we got ACDELCO WIRESET. That's the part number. We're gonna go ahead and knock this out real quick and show you how. Let's get it.
Are you looking for a mechanic you can trust to take care of your vehicle? Or do you need to get your car repaired urgently, but not sure who to call? Do you feel frustrated and disappointed when you're not getting the best service? Such as charged for unnecessary services, coping with inconvenient scheduling, or not getting the best parts for your vehicle. When it comes to taking care of your vehicle, you need the best mechanic who can make sure your car can run properly at all times. Our team consists of technicians equipped with thorough knowledge of modern and older vehicles, with aim to provide the best service possible to our customers. You can expect nothing but the best parts, service, and overall experience. So, put your mind at ease. Contact us today for a convenient appointment.
Alright, so we got our spark plug wires. Alright, spark plugs. 3 in the front, 3 in the rear. Get this. Twist that off to the left. And engine cover off. Went ahead and pulled these out. In the front. We're going to be reusing these. Cover up the boot so it don't get hot, melt or anything in between the exhaust manifold. You can see our spark plugs. I'll work on those. Alright, this is what I'm using to get those plugs out. We got a 16 mil, got an extension, short extension, 3/8 ratchet. Gotta break those loose. Got the front 3 out. I'll work on the rear. Should get all of them out. Move this out the way. Get into the rear. Same thing with the middle one and the last one. See that? Just wanted to show you how I'm getting all three of them out in the rear. Alright, we got them all out. Back in. Same plugs. Go ahead and get some of that on the threads. Anti-seize. Make sure you put it on it. Get it something like that. Oh no, no. Alright, we got all 6 of them in. Next we're gonna go ahead and disconnect the wire sets and reroute them. And you can see it has 1, 4, 5, 2, 3, 6, and they were labeled. So going back in the same way. Alright, we got all 3 in the front. Alright, this clip right here, you want to remove it because the front 3 wires are hitting up under there. Pull them out. Here we got the rear. Get those out. Got the wires out. reuse those and reinstall. Alright, it should come with this little boot grease right here. I'm gonna add that to the to like the ends of these boots here and here. Got the front 3 plugs in. Working on the next one. Look, all I did was line them up, and they had the numbers on them already, so I matched them up. Got them all installed. Now we just gotta hook them up. Gotta know the firing order. I took these clips off. I'm gonna reuse those and put them on. So the fire order is 1, 3, 5, 2, 4, 6. Go ahead and install that cover. All right, we in there. We in there.
Every dollar in their pocket they deserve. People in their time of need. Or a discount. But as my mother used to say, it's not a discount.
That's gonna be it, man. If you like my content, you know what to do. Give the video a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, man. Hit the notification bell. Till next time, pull up, King.